One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
10 years have passed, but it just seems like yesterday. What an exciting time it has been. In 2011, after working for 22 long years in variety of organizations, from DRDO to HP, I dreamt of something beyond all of that. I wanted to do something very fulfilling. I wanted to be a part of the company of my dream. So it was time to explore the world that awaited.
I'm very excited to share my journey with Genesis as I'm associate with the company from those initial days. It was an awesome and remarkable time period I have spent in my life so far. We started from zero. There were no client network, no business development team, nothing. The only thing we had with us is our desire to excel, and we were ready to do whatever it takes to be successful in the marketplace. These 10 years, Genesis has successfully completed 500 plus projects with a strong clientele located in 20 plus countries over the globe, having strong hands-on tools and technology, incorporating one of the best team in Central India.
There are three things a company where you work should have. Number one, self-respect and the pupils who trust you. Number two, freedom to work as per your choice. Number three, personal and professional growth. Genesis fulfill all the parameters and now it is more than 9 years. From day one to till date, I am enjoying my work here. There is no single day in which I have not learned any new thing here. People working at Genesis believes that it is their company and do not consider themselves as an employee of Genesis.
Genesis helped me to set my goal in life, my aim in life. Every single day here, I get to learn something new, not only just from my mentors or from my leads, but also from my mentors. I'm developed here not just as a good QA, but as well as a good person. I've been here for I think about 7 years, and it's very difficult to express my feelings about Genesis in just few words.
I have been working with Genesis since 2015, and during my 6 years of journey, I have seen many ups and downs here. We together fight with those challenges and crack them very effectively.
It's been 6 years when I started working from here. I always wanted to a workplace where I'm independent to share my knowledge and my strength. Genesis gave me this opportunity.
I have been part of this team from last 5 years. I feel really honored that I am a member of this wonderful team. And on this very first day on my job, I was very excited and nervous at the same time. But the people who were there made me feel so comfortable that from that day onwards to till now, I thoroughly enjoy each and every day in Genesis.
Genesis was like a second home for me. I started my career with Genesis. Here worked with Ashok sir and other team members. It was a great time. Now it's been around 10 years. Genesis is completed. Wishing you all the very best for the future.
I joined Genesis Technologies in 2012 as Associate QA after completing my engineering. Being my first company, Genesis holds a very special and important place in my career, and I am glad that working here I developed deep understanding of software QA and got opportunity to work on wide variety of projects. My journey at Genesis has been great and I have thoroughly enjoyed my time working here.
I have started my career from Genesis. I have learned so many things from there. I really miss that time, that good time actually. We have spent a very good time there. Genesis is like a family to us.
It is 10th anniversary of a family. A family that only grew stronger, defying all odds. A family where we take care of each other, trust each other, and are 100% committed to our customers. Thank you all for 10 remarkable years, full of warmth, friendship and support.
I have a best team as they feel like as a family member.
Genesis is the great place to work. Here, colleagues are like friends and we enjoy working together.
All of the seniors are very supportive. Genesis has an amazing work environment.
Everyone is very respectful to each other and I am free to express my opinions.
Always focusing on creating positive work environment.
It was a very great experience for me in this company, and I would like to thank Ashok sir, Shikant sir for all their guidance throughout my career in this Genesis.
Whatever I am today is just because of your suggestions, help, guidance and working culture of Genesis. These things I am always keeping as the essence of my working.
Every employee at Genesis Technologies, regardless of position or the years of experience, have several opportunities to develop their skill set or knowledge.
You will always get new opportunities and challenges that may enhance your skills, knowledge, and boost your confidence.
There is no other workplace like Genesis that provides opportunity to strengthen your technical as well as the social skills.
Genesis has always provided me with great learning environment in which I can learn and develop not only while working on projects but also through some superb learning sessions.
In Genesis, I had opportunity to work on a variety of projects and technologies. I am learning from my seniors who are very skillful.
It's a very encouraging environment and it feels like a family to work with. Here, there are great learning opportunities.
I always feel grateful that I have started my professional life with Genesis Technology. Genesis is one of the best friendly platform to execute professional knowledge and ideas to make a space in IT world.
It's really a great place to learn. I learned a lot from here. I'll always very thankful to Genesis to provide such a great support.
It was such an awesome experience to work with the team for the 3 years. I really enjoyed and appreciate the opportunities I had as it was my first job, so I learned so many about the development strategies and the digital media space.
Apart from work, I really enjoy all the fun activities we do. The Genesis team members are full of energy and always eager to participate in any fun activities.
We celebrate birthdays, we celebrate festival, we enjoy every occasions.
Genesis encouraged me to take a part in the Indore Marathon, which was an entirely new experience for me.
The programs and activities that the company organizes keeps us motivated and energized for months.
We used to have so many parties over there. We had a night stay at the office itself. We used to have DJ parties, then Dandiya night, Ganeshji festival. Everything is superb there. We just loved. I've switched 2 companies, but I must say Genesis is my favorite and it will be.
I remember we did not have much computing power at that time. We had some low-end machines in our inventory which were not in working condition. I started repairing them on hardware level and made them suitable for our projects. Genesis came a long way since then, and today we have a computing power of 2:1, which means 2 computers for every team member.
We have a fantastic canteen in Genesis where we can get home cooked meals. Also, the infrastructure here is extremely strong and easily accessible.
Customer satisfaction is always a top priority at Genesis. We ensure that deadlines are met.
You are professional, you are a team players, you are a very important link in our team, so we could meet on time, on quality, and deliver products, not just to develop product, but delivering it on time and on quality.
We make every effort to fulfill our clients' evolving needs because we believe that customer satisfaction is extremely important.
Very happy with the work that the guys put together. They are available on the short notice, doing a great job, So we're happy with the service provided, and we're looking forward to working with you guys in the future.
I had the pleasure of working with the Genesys team over the past 6 years, and it was truly a wonderful opportunity for me. I was always very grateful for the wonderful quality assurance testing and software development services that Genesys provided.
I like working with them because, on a daily basis, I'm working with skilled professionals that go above and beyond to meet their commitments to keep our projects on track. We have several good channels of communications to the technical leads, definitely the team. We meet on a daily basis, as well as management at Genesys Technologies.
I believe that work-life balance is important in every employee's life, where we are able to balance our professional and personal life equally. At Genesys, we are able to do so because of the company's flexible working hours and deep policies.
Company culture includes work-life balance, such as by allowing flexible hours.
Your care of the employees and your ability to foster young workers is truly special. The care and joy that you provide shows through both in the employees and during my visit to the Genesys offices.
Colleagues in Genesys are very helpful and friendly. They never fail to inspire us and always help us when we need.
I am really blessed to have such a supportive team that is ready to help 24/7, not only related to work, but yes, when it comes to personal problem, everyone is always there to support each other.
Everything here is just amazing. The team, the infrastructure, the work culture and the ethics. People here are so supportive. Everyone help each other to learn and grow.
We have a best team as they feel like as a family member, and here there is a no partition among the departments, so we can discuss to all members of the company.
Glad to be surrounded by the so many experienced professionals who are always there to assist and help.
Genesys, we treat people with dignity and respect, as we believe it is essential to create a positive work environment
where everybody is treated with respect and dignity. Our company has a culture where everybody feels respected.
We have an excellent infrastructure, like we have our own HRMS, our own in-house application that help us to that has made our work very easier and simpler.
So until our next milestone, let us keep experimenting, let us keep growing and celebrating, but let us not stop dreaming. Let us not settle for any lesser, and most importantly, let us not allow any of our setbacks to discourage us. I would like to conclude with these lines. Our new road is paved, our final destination always in sight. It is time to embark upon it. It feels just right. We begin every new day better and stronger than yesterday. Let us keep hoping and dreaming of a brighter tomorrow. It is time to shine. Let us show the world what we have. Genesys is ready to be printed in the sky. Happy 10 and 10 more Genesys.
Many congratulations to all the team members.
Happy anniversary to all of us.
Very happy 10th anniversary to Genesys and to us.
Congratulations on 10 wonderful years. I wish you many more.
A very happy 10th anniversary day.
Very happy 10th anniversary to Genesys.
Happy 10th anniversary, Genesys.
Happy 10th birthday to Genesys.
Cheers for Genesys.
Stay awesome.
Congratulations, Genesys family, on the 10th anniversary.
A very happy 10th anniversary. Cheers.